Good morning, friends. I'm Aarti Pandey, founder of Folk Fitness. Good morning, everyone. How are you? And कैसा चल रहा है आपका November? I'm Aarti Pandey. I'm the founder of Folk Fitness, and I'm here with my daily dose of some information for all of you. So ask people about the most eaten foods in India, and pat comes the reply: wheat, rice, and pulses. Yes, these food grains are as intrinsic part of our lives, but there are healthier options out there. Do you know about it? Once considered a poor man's food, millets are slowly finding its way into one's diet with a wide variety of recipes available. अब ये millets क्या हैं? These are these teeny tiny spherical grains. They are considered to be one of the most important cereal grains, guys. They are available as jawar, bajra, ragi, sama and variga. Now important for you to know that bajra and sama are the high fat millets, while ragi is a low fat variety. 1/3 of the world's population, guys, 1/3 of the world's population consumes millets regularly. But most of them are not aware of the many health benefits of this grain. And the most important and the best part is that these grains are gluten free, so anyone can have them and reap its health benefits. So चलो पता करते हैं इन millets के क्या क्या benefits हैं. Do you know that all varieties of millets are rich in antioxidants that help you flush out those harmful free radicals from the body and keep several health issues at bay. And ये तो आज सबका favorite है, immunity levels. Do you know that millets also help you to boost your immunity levels? If indigestion is your companion, then introduce millets into your diet in small quantities. Digestive issues occur because of less consumption of fiber, and millets are loaded with starch and significant amount of fiber, which helps you to regulate the digestion process. Now understand that our body does not make calcium on its own. You know that, right? And since calcium is required to keep your bones strong, you need to include foods in your diet that is rich in calcium. Now ragi is a millet with the highest content of calcium. So make sure to include ragi in your diet. You also need to know that millets have a high fiber content, guys. That makes it an excellent food option to manage your weight. तो वो जो जिनको भी weight manage करना है, weight lose करना है, तो make sure कि millets आपके खाने का part बन जाए. Millets are heavy foods that help you to decrease your hunger pangs and keep you away from snacking. Millets also help to lower your cholesterol levels and keep your weight in check. अगर ये सब benefits आपको अभी भी convince नहीं कर रहे हैं millets को अपने diet का part बनाने के लिए, तो you should know that it can be one of the healthier grains to add to your diet if you want to protect your heart. You know why? Because it's rich source of magnesium, which is an important mineral for reducing blood pressure and the risk of heart attack or stroke. Now cholesterol levels go hand in hand with our heart health. You know that, right? So the high fiber amount in millets, it makes it an ideal food for those who are trying to lower their cholesterol. Now dietary fiber also helps to eliminate the bad cholesterol from the system while it promotes the effects of good cholesterol. For all those who have diabetes, please listen to this. Diabetes has affected millions across the globe each year. But do you know that countries this condition is not quite prevalent are the countries where millet consumption is quite high? You know the reason? The fact that millets are linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes is all thanks to high magnesium content. Magnesium improves insulin efficiency and glucose receptor efficiency. thereby reducing the risk of diabetes. Do you know that studies have shown a 30% reduction, guys, in diabetes risk in people who consume a diet rich in magnesium? So, make millets definitely a part of your diet. Good news for all the lactating women. You know why you're recommended ragi? It's for a good reason. Increased consumption of ragi can improve breast milk production. You will be able to feed your child better. So, make ragi a part of your diet if you're a lactating mother. Now, this is for all the women who are listening to me. Do you know that millets improve skin elasticity? The L-lysine and the L-proline in them improve the collagen production in the body, which tightens your skin. It thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles and the fine lines that we complain. So, cosmetologist के पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अपने diet में the superfood which is millets, which is jawar, bajra, ragi, इन सबको include कर लो, and this is the way to fight early aging. And do you know that millets are rich in protein, which strengthens your hair follicles and prevent them from breaking easily? It is recommended for people who experience hair loss. They are also known to improve the blood circulation to the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. मैंने आपको इतने सारे benefits बता दिए हैं millets के. I know it's considered as a poor man's food, but इतनी सारे benefits हैं guys millets के कि I strongly recommend all of you to start making millets a part of your diet. भाकरी की तरह खाइए, porridge की तरह खाइए, इसे अपने lunch, breakfast या dinner में include कीजिए और खुद इसके benefits note कीजिए. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I will come tomorrow with some new element of information. I'm Aarti Pandey. I'm founder of Folk Fitness, and I'm on a mission to reverse PCOS naturally. Thank you.